Why are you shocked and offended by me? Excuse me. I know I look like a hairy badger, but goddamn.
Never skip.
Oh, that's my camp. Hi, camp. Coincidence? I think not.
Nice place you got there.
Yeah.
Whoa, what the hell?
I'm like you're in a bathroom.
He just suddenly like got into a tunnel?
Love Rockstar.
Wait, who
That's
is
just
that?
awesome.
Whose mic is doing that? It's amazing. The little tunnel.
Oh,
Timothy,
Oh,
swear
it
to
might be
God.
mine. I have a tendency of going ethereal, apparently. That's how my boyfriend phrases it. I'll be randomly talking and then it'll just suddenly go ethereal. Horse collision.
I wonder if they've done Pride Parades in the snow. They must have done. Don't cancel them.
You didn't see nothing, English.
I wouldn't want to do Pride in the snow.
No, because a lot of people don't wear much. That's the other thing I've noticed.
Oh, I got a daily. Don't kill an animal for 24 in-game hours.
Rats?
I'm surprised I didn't accidentally run over a squirrel. I usually do.
Yeah, it seemed to like turn and run in under your horse's feet.
Kicking balls.
Yeah, don't mind chat. Timothy likes to take unflattering pictures of my horse's face. It's extremely rude.
I wasn't even
Which is
looking.
Andy.
Hold on, I gotta get my phone.
Can you what, Ambi? Absolutely not.
Do it.
Oh wow.
Do it, Envy.
Wait, what?
Do it.
Fuck it.
Oh, she's very beautiful, really. They're just mean.
Oh my god! What the hell? What the hell is that? He's just like, oh.
That's my stunning Purlino Turkman.
Why does he look? Why does the
That's a
Purlino
Turkman?
Turkman look so awkward in the photo above the last one? He's just like, yeah, I don't think so.
It's a good reaction, I think.
Yeah, I've saved those now. Those are great.
No.
Yes. When the spicy food hits.
Why is it spicy?
Why is it spicy? I can't do the voice. Did I do a good impression? That's spicy. I can't, I'm gonna die. Oh my god. Oh, I made myself cry.
Oh no. Hang on, stop here. Yeah, that's doable. Oh, I see a red star. Aggressive player.
I wonder.
He's bullying me.
Aggressive horse noises.
I see you, Gaia. Thank you for coming. I'm sorry this isn't a very prideful trail.
It's just a
Unfortunately,
very
the game doesn't
cold
really
one.
offer much. What I should have done really is done some facts and stuff about Pride history and stuff, but to be honest, I think it would actually be quite dark. So I don't think it'd be
Yeah.
very enjoyable.
Yeah.
See you, Amy. Have a good one. Enjoy dinner.
Bye bye.
I've got macaroni and cheese tonight.
Bleh.
Oh yeah, cheese.
Mhm.
I forgot Liv doesn't eat cheese.
I'm
I have a
lactose
phobia
intolerant,
of
and
cheese.
I've completely lost my sense of taste and smell, so I can't even enjoy things. I hope it
I
comes
really like
back.
that
I'm
song.
scared that it
That's
won't.
a good song.
It will. I'm pretty sure that it does. Should get it
It could
back.
take months, though.
Lou, I really like your playlist. I stole it.
How could you?
You're
I like that
If you ever
one
need an
way-
updated version, you're welcome to get it.
Oh yeah, I'll harass you for it.
Yeah. Which one? Like 2 or 3?
I don't know. There's quite a few. There's the.
Okay, I have one for the
Yeah.
quiet trails, and one for the good vibes, and one for like
I think
I don't
it's
know,
the,
the Mumfords and
Trail one.
Sons.
I couldn't make it to the Mumfords, unfortunately. I really wanted to.
Don't worry, I'll have more. I don't know. I just won't stop making them.
Excellent. Because I like their stuff, but I never get around to listening to it. So we got Wolfies.
Alright.
Timothy, I see you, and I'm not impressed. That made a really good photo then. We'll have to do that.
I was just looking behind me, and 2 of the horses just smooched and then kept walking.
Oh,
That's cute.
that is. Now ship those horses.
I'm trying to see which ones it was.
Can
There's
you tell
those
me?
2. It's Snake and Amby's horses.
She's gone to the tunnel again.
Oh, have I? Oh, shit.
It's gone now.
I'm
Tunnel's
ethereal. You know, I'm secretly some benevolent entity, and sometimes I can't help myself. I have to go ethereal.
It's weird how some people's mics do that, because there's some people that sound like literally that they're playing in the toilet.
Yeah. I might be. You don't know.
Oh,
Yeah, you never know. That's actually a very nice picture, Timothy.
You can't even see Fig at all.
No, he's hiding. I don't want to be seen on this horse.
He's embarrassed.
I don't think Fig would be very comfortable wearing like a hat like that, really.
very fun, this hat.
Yeah, it's lovely. It's very hard to match. It's probably the hardest hat to match in the game. So I play this game like Barbie dress up. I
don't have the
bought
money
every
for that.
single clothing outfit ever.
You can't even see Fig's face because the way the lantern is.
Oh man. My character's hair is frozen.
Oh no. I'm surprised your character isn't frozen. He's not even wearing a shirt.
Yeah, I bought some potions.
He's got nipplesicles.
And he's hot-blooded. He's hot-blooded.
Oh. One moment I'm fanning myself.
I'm ready at bonding 3.
Yeah, trails are really good for horse bonding.
Whoops! Horse tried to eat a tree. It's not recommended as the 5 a day. Oh my god, stop spaz. Does not like this pathway.
Yeah, just take it slow, single file on this one.
I can shoot snake if you need me to remember.
Ah, no shooting on the trail.
I know.
So as soon as this trail is over, everyone is very welcome to turn around and shoot snake as much as they like. In fact, we'll do a trail dedicated to just killing snake the entire time.
Like a witch hunt trail.
Oh my god, I'd love to do that.
That sounds kind of fun.
Like we chase one person across the map.
Oh yeah, Snake, would you be up for that?
We could have like
Hunt me.
teams. Like Team Blue and Team Red.
Oh my god, I love that.
Like only with
We could
melee
do like
weapons.
capture the flag with a person.
Capture
Yeah.
the snake.
Capture the snake. Snakes and ladders.
We just have Snake hogtied and then pick
Yeah.
him up, put him on our horse, and run back and forth.
Yeah.
Like rugby.
Yeah. Well, we have like
A lot
one
of
person
horses are
dressed
gonna
in
die.
blue and hog-tied, and one person dressed in red and hog-tied, and you have to use them as like getting them into the separate goals.
Yeah, or you could have one person with a, I don't know, base in strawberry and one with a base like somewhere else, and you have to like get the red one into the red base, etc. Like
We could
capture
do
the flag.
Strawberry and Valentine.
That's quite a distance.
Oh,
Also, I'm glad that snowball
Sausage.
hat trail became a thing when we talked about it. That was amazing.
That was incredible. I love
missed
that.
it, I was so sad, but I'm glad that it became a reality.
you could do Caliga Hall on birthday man.
Yeah, that would work. And it would be no shooting allowed, I suppose. And we just have to pick him up and somehow knock him off, I suppose.
Run your horse into the other person.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Tackling? Oh god.
Bring lots of horse survivors.
Yeah, it would definitely be a chaos sort of trail.
You could probably do lassos.
Yeah, lassos
I'm
actually.
left for the person who has the flag, not anybody else.
Oh yeah, take this one slow as well, guys. This is about as off-road as I go.
How long do we
You're not
take?
lose level of crazy then.
Oh, absolutely not. It's not just crazy, Lou, though, it's creativity as well. It's fantastic.
Slip
And here we have
slide.
some floating rocks.
I would
your
expect
left.
no less.
Whoa, that's your lantern?
Is it a skull?
Yeah, what?
Yeah,
Oh,
it's
yeah.
Halloween.
Halloween season pass.
Oh, okay.
Right, definitely single file on this bit here.
It's so cold.
And if you look to your right, there will be a giant skeleton.
Oh.
It even has hair.
Yes!
Who's your stylist, bro?
Oh, natural.
Ain't no products on him. I have a screenshot taking problem.
Good. I like the pictures. I tend to, well, the plan is to do once a month fashion